In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, head to the exact location where the view is saved. This could be a space, a folder, a subfolder, or a list, depending on how your workspace is organized. If you're not sure where the view lives, take a moment to navigate through your hierarchy carefully so you don't remove the wrong one. When you arrive at the correct location, look toward the top of the page for the Views bar. This is where ClickUp displays the different views available for that specific area, such as List, Board, Calendar, or any custom view that has been added. Find the view you want to delete and make sure you've selected the right one before continuing, because this action can be permanent. Next, right-click directly on the name of the view. This will open a menu with options related to that view. From that menu, click Delete View. After you do that, ClickUp will ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm that you want to remove it. Once confirmed, the view will be deleted. To verify that it worked, check the Views bar again. The view you removed should no longer appear in the list. This is the easiest way to make sure the deletion was successful. There is one important thing to keep in mind here. Required views cannot be deleted. So if you don't see the delete option, that may be the reason. Only additional views that you created can be removed. It's also important to understand the difference in how deletion works depending on the view type. If you delete a task view or a page view, that deletion is permanent. However, if you delete a doc view or a whiteboard view, those can be restored from the trash for up to 30 days. So before confirming, it's a good idea to double check the type of view you're deleting and make sure you no longer need it. And that's it. Your ClickUp view is now deleted. Thanks for watching.